tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 9 p.m. At 8:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Palmyra, or 9 miles northwest of East Troy, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Waukesha, Mukwonago, Vernon, and North Prairie around 8:25 p.m. New Berlin, Muskego, Big Bend, and Waterford North around 8:30 p.m. Brookfield and Brookfield around 8:35 p.m.
Brookfield and Brookfield.
Elm Grove and Wind Lake around 8:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Genesee Depot, Eagle, and Genesee. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Ottawa Lake Recreation Area and Pinewoods Campground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the substantial shelter and protect yourself.
Put in the ballpark name.
You've got that tornado polygon.
The severe thunderstorm warning.